What's going on, guys? Be Lucky back again this week for another video, and today we're going to be talking about Docker. So essentially what Docker is, it's a tool that was created to help making designing, creating, and running applications easier by using containers. Now, containers allow a developer to package different applications, such as these over here on the image I have pulled up, with all the parts that these applications need, such as libraries, and ship them out as a single package. So Docker creates a virtual operating system that allows all these applications to use the same Linux kernel as the system that they're running on. So the host operating system, they're all using the same. And the best part about this is that it's open source, which is always a great thing. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to go to Play with Docker, which is a free thing that you guys can use too. It's really fun, pretty simple, cool thing. So we're going to just, should not have to log in. All right, yeah, well, I'm just going to sign in with that. All right, and we'll get started. All right, cool. So now we're in. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click over on this wrench icon right here. Get started with that. Now you see all the different options that pop up. So we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to do one manager and one worker for this option, for this tutorial. All right, so now all this pops up, everything in here, and you have this little control panel that you can, or not control panel, little terminal window that you can work on. So we're going to click on the manager part. And what we're first going to have to do is create a file for this. So for this, we're going to type in vim docker-compose, and it's a YAML file, so we're going to want to save it as that. So we're going to hit enter, and now we're in here. So I'm going to go to my notes tab where I have all this pulled up, and essentially what this shows is the version of HAX CMS that we're going to be installing. So it'll say it's the second version of it, and it'll show the different services, which is HAX CMS. It'll load the Elms LN HAX CMS image, which the latest version. It's going to run on port 80. So then we're going to hit escape, do colon WQ, so write quit. So it's going to write it, and then we're just going to quit from here. So that's all good to go. And now what we're going to do next is docker-compose up. Now it's going to start loading all of that and downloading everything. And it's going to download the HAX CMS file. So keep your eyes up here where the open port is. So while it downloads all that, we're just going to wait a bit and see it's all finished downloading now. And you see that up here, port 80 is opened. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on that. It's going to take us to a new tab where it's going to show the installation is successful. And now we can log into HAX CMS. So when you go to access it, earlier it wasn't loading for me, but we'll give it another try here. So we're going to copy the password, and we'll give it a go for a little bit, see if it is working now. Let's see if we can log in. This is what happened last time, just kind of got stuck here. And cool, got in actually as far than it was last time. So we'll sign in. And there you have it. Now you're inside HAX CMS, and that's how you use Docker to log into that. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this week's video, and be back again with something else for you next week. So until then, adios.